Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Zinger Roll only way. Start by marinating chicken, preheating oil, and setting up a crisping station. Use chilled batter for maximum crunch and keep oil temperature steady for even cooking. Toast the roll lightly and build layers. Spicy mayo, lettuce, chicken, and pickles. Press gently so fillings meld and slice on a bias for cleaner bites and better presentation. Follow a simple batter routine to get restaurant crunch at home by mixing dry ingredients, adding cold liquid, and resting briefly. Fry in small batches to avoid oil temperature drops and flip only when edges are golden. Let pieces drain on a wire rack while you finish other components so steam dissipates. This keeps the exterior crisp and the interior juicy and tender without overcooking the chicken. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait on fries or marinades, and it fits easily on a kitchen shelf. I find its long battery life handy during long cooking sessions, and it's lightweight to carry from counter to couch. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Build the Zinger Roll with intention. Sauce first to create a moisture barrier, then crisp lettuce and warm chicken for contrast. Add pickles for bite and a final drizzle of spicy mayo for heat balance. Gently press the roll closed and toast briefly if you prefer extra warmth. Let the roll rest a minute before serving so flavors settle and the texture stays perfectly crisp when you take that first satisfying bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.